Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn grade 3rd EVS, chapter 10. What is cooking? Now let's see. Look at the picture. Color the space which have dots in them. What do you see? Now here one activity for you, dear students. You will color the picture where there is a dot and you may find different type of utensils in this picture. For example, I have done the color in the textbook, but you have to do full color and you may find different type of utensils. So we'll write here pot, ladle, pressure cooker, saucepan, skimmer, wok and spatula. So this you will write down in your textbook page 63. Now turn the page 64 and now here your activity is there. You have to find utensils name from your home. In the picture you must have found some utensils that are used for cooking. Are there any other utensils in your house for cooking? Which are they? So you have to write that at your home any other utensils are used. You have to write here in this bracket any other utensils are using. So you have to write here in this blank instead of these utensils. अब अभी आप यही यूज कर रहे हो तो आप यही लिखो. बट इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग any other utensils, you can write here. What are the utensils made of? At home we are using different type of utensils. So what are the utensils made of? वो किससे बनते हैं? So you have find steel utensils, iron, copper, glass and bronze. Steel utensils you may find as an example glass, iron, copper, glass and bronze. So we are using these utensils at our home. Now here one more activity for you. We do not cook all the things that we eat. First out, which things we eat raw and which one we cook before eating. Which are things we eat both cooked and raw. Filling the table given below. Now raw means कच्चा and cook means पकाया हुआ, and raw and cook means पकाया हुआ भी और कच्चा भी. So we'll write here that raw eating. Things we are eating raw. कच्चा खा सकते हैं वैसे vegetables और tomato, carrot, radish and cabbage. Now things that are eaten cooked. पका के खाने वाला दाल, rice, chapati, brinjal, and we eat both the way raw and cooked. Carrot, tomato, black gram and cabbage. So these things we are eating as a raw and cooked. So fill in the blanks in your textbook. Let's see page 65. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to done for this taking out flour in a utensils. Now, dear students, have you observed your mother how she is making chapati for you? Yes, if you have observed your mother, then we have to write our method of making chapati. So, what mother will do first? Kneading it into a dough, making small ball of dough, rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. After this, chapati reach your plate so much of efforts. Now here, first of all, what your mother will do? She will take out the flour, then she will knead dough properly and then she make small balls and then she rolling out the balls and she make the chapati. So what will you do? You have to observe your mother that how she is making chapati for you. One day we will go to the kitchen and observe your mother that how she is making food. Now another activity for you, dear students. Go to the kitchen, observe something being cooked. What all was done to it cook? Write the sequence. Do not forget to write the name of items being cooked. Look at the notebook of your classmate and discuss in a group. Now here you have to observe the kitchen and you have to write the name of item. Whatever your mother is preparing at home, you have to write here. But I have written here rice, means चावल मम्मी कैसे पकाती है, आपको यहाँ पर उसकी प्रोसेस लिखनी है. हाउ योर मम्मा इज मेकिंग चावल, राइस कैसे बनाती है. You have to write here the method of rice making. Now, another is there. You have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked, some are fried, some are roasted, and while some are steamed. Now, here we will do method of cooking. Okay, have you observed your mother? If you observe, then mummy खाना बनाती है, but different method she used. If she wants to make idli, then what she will do? She will steam. If she wants to make puri, then what she will do? She will fry puri. So different type of method we are using to prepare a food. Now here roasting. रोस्टिंग में क्या आता है? स्वीट पोटैटो एंड कॉर्न. बॉइलिंग, उबाला हुआ पोटैटो, राइस. फ्राइंग, पूरी एंड पकौड़ी. बेकिंग, चपाटी एंड केक. स्टीमिंग, इडली एंड ढोकला. नाउ मे बी you have understood, but I am going to show you pictures, so you will find there a different type of method. Yes, let's see method of cooking. First is there boiling and baking. So boiling, you may find here picture that how is used to make a food. So we can make food, rice, pulses and some vegetables are cooked by boiling. You see this picture very carefully, so you will understood how it's useful to make a food. Now baking, look at this picture very carefully. How is used to make a food, and oven is used to bake the things. What we are using to baking food? Oven. So what will you make? Breads, biscuits and cake are made by baking. So baking. Now let's see another things that we are food making using the method. Now roasting. Look at this picture very carefully. Look at this picture very carefully. That roasting. Okay. Now here what we are roasting? Paneer, chicken and vegetables are often roasted. Now chapati, corn and dry fruits also be roasted. So look at this picture very carefully. So we understood the method of roasting. Now grilling. Grilling. Meat and some vegetables are cooked over direct heat. Look at this picture. Direct उसको heat करके, गरम करके पकाते हैं, तो that is called grilling. It can be done in a griller or a tandoor. So it called a tandoor. Okay, it's a griller also. So they are heat over directly and they make the food. Now steaming. You may observe pressure cooker while making mummy any sabji and rice. So you may find that pressure cooker. So that it's called steaming. So what we are making? Idlis, dhokla and momos are often steamed before eating. So what we are making while steaming idli and dhokla? So we used pressure cooker, but we can make rice also with the using of steaming or pressure cooker. So these are the method of cooking. Look at this picture very carefully, so you may understood method of cooking. Now let's see frying. Okay, you have observed that mummy making puris, samosa, chips. So what she is doing? She is using frying method. क्या यूज करती है वो? Frying method. So what we are doing? We using oil or ghee and we'll make puris, samosa, pakoda and finger chips by frying in a wok. वॉक यूज करके हम क्या बनाते हैं? पूरी, समोसा एंड चिप्स. सो with the using of picture with the use of this picture you may understood the method of cooking. Here, good morning students, page number 66, and let's see what we are using to cook food in our house. Now draw some picture in your notebook and write its name. I have given you worksheet. From that you will draw picture of utensils and write their names. Or now see, identify the picture given below, write their names, what products heat in each of them, match the picture with the list. Matching can be more than one thing also used. Now here you may find two types of picture and here the names is chula, coal stove, cooking gas, solar cooker, kerosene stove and heater. Now what we are using? It's kerosene oil, electricity से चलता है, kerosene oil से चलता है. It's work on sunlight. And gas stove, cooking gas, it's using gas. Cow duck cakes we are using in chula, and wood also we are using in chula. So you have to match these things and write its name. Let's see page number 66, 67. Now you have to do one activity and you have to make a lemon water, fruit salad and lassi and fill in the blanks. Okay, so here you have to take moong seed and soak whole moong seed overnight in water. आपको एक रात तक मूंग को भिगो के रखने हैं. In the morning, wrap and soak moong in a wet cloth and cover it. Now, in the next morning, पूरा उसको dry कर दो. Then cover it with the wet cloth. Take it out after a day. Do you find any differences? Okay. After one day, you observe that moong seeds will germinate. मूंग के जो सीड है वो germinate हो जाएंगे. Now see, we will make lemon water. So what we'll need to make a lemon water? Mix sugar in a water, add lemon juice, strain it. Lemon water is ready. So maybe we are making lemon water, lemon juice. So we are using this method. Now here we will make fruit salad. Chop some fruits in a small pieces. स्मॉल पीसीस में फ्रूट को कट कर दो. स्प्रिंकल सॉल्ट, उसके ऊपर सॉल्ट डाल दो. सुगर एंड चाट मसाला, वट एवर यू लाइक सुगर एंड चाट, यू कैन sprinkle over them and fruit chaat is ready. Now we will make a lassi. Take 1 cup of curd, dahi, add sugar, add ice, mix well using mixer. We have to mix it well and it will become a lassi. So lassi will be ready. So you will prepare it yourself and enjoy it. Okay, thank you.